Hi! Good afternoon to everyone. This is Eva and I would like to share to all of you the newest crayon and it's trending and it's easy for our kids to use it and it's not easy to fold or cut. Hindi po siya madaling mabali kasi matibay, maliit lang pero matibay siya and maglo-long last po yung crayon na ito kasi hindi siya madaling mabali sa mga batang na gumagamit nito. Kaya I was really excited to buy it. Then I buy for a normal crayon that's longer. That's why now I introduce to you the crayon that I discovered in the Shopee and it's arrived today. Look, it's really good one. And I'm gonna open it all for you that you will going to see. Wait. This is a crayon. It's 24 pieces. It's good for your daughter, your son, that is already grade 4, grade 5, or grade 6. This really nice one. See it. You want to try it. And take a look how I do it. You see, it's easy to hold for kids because you're gonna put your thumb like this and it's never hindi po siya madaling mabalik talaga. Grabe. Kaya bili na kayo sa Shopee. Kailangan natin yung makabudget tayo sa pagbili ng mga crayon. Hindi tayo magbibili ulit-ulit. Paulit-ulit. Hindi tayo bibili ng paulit-ulit. Yan lang po ang vlog ko ngayon. Choris.